Coach Yang, you set your expectations before the game that if you are not able to establish a double-digit lead right away, this would be quite a seesaw match, and that is exactly what happened. What did you have to bank on to clinch this win, especially with the way Sanggalang was playing?
Yung ano lang, no, we had a strong end game. No, it was the finish really. We played around with the matchups. No, yung mga local namin hindi ma-stop yung mga post plays nila. No? So we tried defending that post play with our import. No? We got the stops that we needed at a crucial time. So yun ang susi doon, ano. Then we got into our late game transition. So yun, I thought the whole time na mag-i-struggle kami rito kung hindi namin mahanapan ng solusyon yung problema namin doon sa post-game nila, no. And abuti na lang na stop namin at the right time. It's good to win 4 straight games before Christmas, before the New Year. We're having our Christmas dinner also, so mabuti na lang di nasira yung mood dun sa dinner namin. Kung hindi kami makakakain ng husto, no? So masarap pa naman hinanda ni boss. So mabuti na lang na ipanalo namin, no? Sa tulong ni Adrian tsaka nung mga teammates niya. Yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. Adrian, nakitakbo rin yung Terra Firma sa inyo at hindi nila ito ginawang madali para sa iyo, but you still came out scoring, blocking, rebounding. Personally ba, paano ka challenge ng Terra Firma ngayong gabi?
Sa akin yun, sa matchup din, maganda rin yung matchup namin. Bata din yung si Paraiso, yan, sila Mark Nonoy, si Paulo, teammate ko sa Mapua. So, nag-stick lang ako sa game plan ni Coach yun. Kahit paano nakatulong sa team.